Ooh, Mr. Maths. So, Mr. Maths, where we going right now? We gonna get my car, boy. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what car it is. I'm really glad of what I picked because it was between two cars. I'll talk about all that stuff probably when I get the car, but yeah, as of right now, we're on the way. We're nearly there. Yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the car. So make sure, before I show you the car, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe. And if you haven't already watched the other video, pause this, watch the other video, drop a comment guessing what car you think I got. Let's go see the car right now. We just waiting. That's what we doing right now. We just waiting. You know what I'm saying? Got sign like a 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nah, we're just waiting right now. We're just chilling. They're dealing with some other people right now, but I think they're done now. So let's get rolling. So there you go, guys. You guys just got to see me collect my brand new Mercedes A200. As you can see from the B-roll, the car looks fucking fire.
Don't tell me you're wrapping it up already.
Of course I'm wrapping up the video. We collected the car. What are you talking about, bro?
At night time, bro.
What do you mean they need to see at night?
Listen, at night it looks so much
better.
The interior looks better at night.
Maths, they're not ready to see this shit at night time, man. You guys, come on, you guys are not ready. These guys want to see this shit at night. I gotta see this shit at night. Woo! So there you have it, Fast Gang. Today's been a long day. I'm so tired. I'm probably gonna go, not even probably, I am gonna go home. I might hit up Apex, I don't know, depends how tired I am. Might play a little 1-2 game. Got a young kebab over here in the seat. You know what I'm saying? Had the heated seats on, but it's fucking cold now anyway. But, you know, gonna go munch that up. I don't know, chill, probably watch a movie or something. I ain't seen Black Panther in a while. I might just watch up Black Panther. Who knows? But yeah, the point is, I'm done. I'm tired, I'm done. I had fun. I did quite a bit of driving today. Put a couple miles on the car. Nothing crazy. I will do more later. But yeah, as of right now, Fast KXR King Reginald is out. Make sure you drop a like. Make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you drop a subscribe. And yeah, share the video, you know. A lot more content going to be coming soon. You know, honestly, this is a beautiful car. Like, I just need to show you guys this one more time before I leave. Yeah, I'm genuinely happy with my choice of this car. But yeah, that was me picking up the brand new A200, my new car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys got to see my friends, you got to see a couple of reactions. You guys got to just see the car in action. Woo! I'm so tired. Sunroof closed. Time to go home, people. Love you guys. Thank you to all the people that show love all the time. I see you, the guys that watch my channel all the time, the guys that guys and girls actually, because there's actually I'm actually surprised there's quite a few girls that actually watch my channel quite frequently, and you know, you guys hit me up, you guys DM me, whatever. So yeah, shout out to everyone that's watching the channel, supporting the channel. Yeah, drop a big like, drop a big comment, drop a big subscribe if you like the car, if you think it's a really beautiful car. And yeah, today we are out. It's the 1st of March. Peace. Lash from the nightlife. Nice out with no wife. That shit caught too deep. Nice out with no knife. The squad mob too deep. Recap like prodigy. She look nice in the nightlife. Lash from the nightlife. Mercedes drivers can't drive. Alright, so we're over here. I just come to pick up my mum. Gonna try and hopefully catch her reaction to seeing a new car. This is her first time seeing it. So yeah, we're just waiting. She said she's going to the toilet like, I don't know, fucking 20 minutes ago. I don't know what she's doing in that toilet. But nah, I'm playing. Love you, mom. Oh yeah, nah, she's for real taking long. Like, she needs to hurry up.
One of these days you're gonna break, innit?
Yeah, I probably will. I see her. Oh, come on, mama. You going back? Come on, mama. Here comes mommy. Mommy. Oh wait, she come around this way. Hi, Mom. Do you like the car?
Yeah,
Do you like the car? Oh wait, you know the thingy?
Yeah, bring the stuff in
So can I open the door?